Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is accent in English? Part 1. So let's discuss about the definition of accent. Accent is a particular way in which a group of people collectively pronounce a language. We have some more ideas about this concept. In other words, a particular way of pronouncing a language is known as accent. We continue our discussion. What is accent? For any language with more than a handful of speakers, there are prominent regional, social, and individual differences in the way the language is pronounced by different people. This difference of each distinguishable type of pronunciation is called an accent. Now we have true and false questions on the basis of what we have come to know. What is accent? Let's see. Accent is a particular way of pronouncing a language. Is it true or false? It's true. We have the next question. A group of people who collectively speak a language does not constitute as an accent. It's false. Question number 3. Accent refers to no individual differences in the way a language is spoken by different people. Of course, it's false. We have the 4th question. There are prominent regional and social differences in the way a person pronounces a language. It's true. And the last one is the difference of each distinguishable type of pronunciation is called an accent. And of course, this is also true. So, in brief, we have come to know what is accent, and we will continue our discussion. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.